My name is Thomas Russell, and I am the founder of Simtech. And today I'm going to talk about the Enigma encryption machine and show you how to use it. This machine is an advanced version of the original Enigma machine designed by the Germans during the first two world wars. It has 3 rotors. Each of these rotors are marked 50, 60, and 70. And you put those particular rotors in order, in sequence, according to how you want to send your message. So these rotors easily come off, and you find out what sequence you're going to use, and you put them back together. So once you have your sequence, you come up with some type of password. A password is also a key. So in this instance, I'm using the letters G-I-G. Those letters for each one of these wheels. G-I-G. I rotate to the H, and the first wheel says an I, so the first letter of encryption is an I, and then I go to the next one, the E, and then I see the next letter is a G, and so as you can see, I'm going back and forth between wheel 1 and 2, and the third wheel is the input. And so I would go on to encrypt the entire message, which is hello world. And make sure you go back and forth between wheel 1 and wheel 2 every time you spin the input wheel. It's a binary decision. This is a great machine for learning encryption. I also have a website that can encrypt and decrypt these messages from the Enigma machine in a matter of seconds. So stay tuned, and I will give you more information later. Thank you for your time.